Hi, girlie. Oh, yes. Hello. Oh, hello, sweet girl. Oh, my best friend. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, yes, hello. So sweet. My girl. Oh, so nice. What a sweet girl. Yeah. Drywall is done! Drywall is done! Drywall is done upstairs! But basically, take a bit of mud in here, one thing. You can take more than that if you want, and work it with this group. You go one way, and then you go the other way. Oh, and that's it. That's pretty easy. Yep, okay. Just like make an X. Start rubber? Yeah. Get some on the floor. It's totally fine. Okay. Okay, so real talk here. Today's the last day of my summer vacation. Tomorrow I go back to work, which means I'm here weekends only. And I want 2 more months of this. I'm not happy about going back to work. I love my job, but being here has been, working on my house has been just one of my favorite times ever. Okay, so I am leaving here. I start work tomorrow, so this is it for me for a while. And this is where I've gotten in this room. I've got like all this stuff at the top. I don't know if you can even see it, but like I have to mud all of this that's not mudded yet. It's getting kind of dark, but in this room, you can kind of see that like I taped it all and mudded up here a bit. So I walked into my house tonight after not being here for a week, and my neighbors actually, they told me they were gonna do this. I couldn't believe it. They're like, would you like some help mudding this week? I had to work all week. I wasn't even here. I was in the city working on a TV show. And while I was gone, like 2 cute little elves, they came over here and they finished mudding upstairs. So it looks like this now. And when I come here on the weekend, as in tomorrow, I get to sand, prime. Within a week, I will have a livable upstairs. Because I basically hit the jackpot with the kindest neighbors you've ever seen in your entire life. Okay, they came in here and they finished mudding my entire upstairs. They put a drywall box over this. They mudded all these little spaces so that I can come here on the weekend and prime, so that I can sleep indoors. Like, I don't know. This is not what I thought would happen in my wildest dreams. I didn't think somebody who I've known for 2 months would come over here and do this for me, and I'm the luckiest girl in the whole world. I have the best neighbors. Figure out the technique. Give us your tip. What is that? So this is what I look like after sanding a bedroom. So I just sanded the drywall mud in one of the rooms, and this is what I look like. Wow, kind of cool, actually. Time to wash up and go to the beach. That's the old Z trick, what? Don't want it too thick. It's just the primer. This will be the first coat. Yeah. There will be 2. Of primer? Yeah. I'll probably go through and spackle a little bit, do a little bit more filling. Right. Painting crew. Woo, it's all primed. Woo. Note the time and date. Note the time and date. Everything is white. This little bedroom done. We've got actually the first coat of, you can see the different sheen on that. That's the first coat of the good coat of paint, which will be this one. It's called Simply White. There's Ethne. And this buddy is all white. Just needs a little bit of cutting in. And if we go over here, we've got my mom cutting in with the final coat. Looking very beautiful. It's coming. It's a good size. Robert is just the best. What a guy. So it's the end of a nice weekend here at the River House, and I'm sad to go. A lot of great stuff happened this weekend though. I had this window put in. So the light in here is just fantastic. And of course, these windows are in. So maybe that's a new one to my viewers. So I've had 3 windows put in. And I just feel the need to talk about how perfect they are for the space. Like that's perfect for that space, that's perfect for that space, and that's perfect for that space. Kind of matches the other ones in size. And my experience of buying windows is really interesting. Like I find a lot as a woman going into a hardware store and saying you want to buy a window, they just ask you all kinds of questions and they're trying to be helpful, right? Like, well, what size? And I'm like, it's a blank canvas. What do you have? And I have a vague idea, but I don't actually know because these were not defined openings before. They were just like little weird windows. So, you know, I kind of have a blank canvas to work with, but they wouldn't accept that for an answer. And so I had to be very, very strong-willed and be like, listen, just sell me the window, please. You know, I don't know the measurements of the window coming out because it's kind of irrelevant, but I know that these are going to work. And yeah, it's like hard enough as a woman in this field to not second guess yourself, but then to have other people second guess you, it's just like, oh man, like, sheesh, you know? Anyway, the end result is that they're perfect, and I'm really, really thrilled with them. Garbage pile. When did these get here?